Uh, and we are yes, nice.
We are live.
Yes, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go.
Tag. I'm just gonna retweet that. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Nice. Welcome, welcome to anyone in the chat. I don't know if maybe Theo will join. We don't know.
We will see.
Theo, if you watch, love you, bro.
And otherwise, please scroll back to the beginning.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so how you doing, man? How's life? How's your
Like,
day?
yeah, we had a big issue tonight. Opus was
Unemployment.
offline.
I hate it. Like API, blah blah blah. And then can do anything. I
Yeah,
guess I need to create content now.
I had to Google the status page
Yeah,
to
no,
see what the
exactly.
status was.
Yeah. No, exactly. Yeah, I went to the Anthropic status. It was orange. Yeah, we investigate the issue and
Yeah.
investigate faster, bro, because I don't know my code base anymore.
How hard can be? You have AI. Press fix it.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. Hmm.
But
Yeah.
they build everything themselves with their own AI, right?
Oh, yeah, like Claude Code is writing by itself. Claude
Yeah.
Code, like yeah,
So if it goes offline, it's on AWS.
could be. Oh, yeah. Um, uh, uh, did I ever mention an AI inside the data center?
Mm, no, but I know that I think they're on AWS, right? Because AWS is one of the big investors.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, like the architecture, like all of the server, it's all about yeah. Because when they got like bombed in Dubai, they had an issue with the
Yeah.
operation too. Yeah, true.
Or was it the Microsoft data center? I don't know.
Maybe they use all of them. Huh?
Well, at least we will get back to you, but
Yeah.
they had an outage, so that was not good.
Oh, so Amazon again?
No, cloud.
Yeah, okay, okay. But yeah, not Amazon
I,
AWS, right?
I was just checking. It's running. It's up
Yeah.
and up again. So that's good.
Oh, nice. Okay, so let's do the stream, then we can come back, go back to prompting and vibe
Yeah.
coding software engineering.
Let's start with the introduction first.
True, 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 true. So I will try to make it. You still don't want to do it?
I don't have the introduction here.
Oh, it's
You
yeah,
gave it to me, but
I have it, but yeah, I will have to like make it more natural. Uh,
it's about Theo, right?
yeah, but I don't want to talk about him in this
Oh.
stream.
Well, do your thing.
Cool. Yes. Have you ever opened a pull request in a massive open source project? Because Cloud Code did it too, and maybe and it's like more than 40% of all of submission on GitHub now. So it's and it's creating way more a lot of issues. AI I will edit that, but that would be good. Yeah. Oh yeah. And Theo dropped a video about open source is dying. Yeah, gonna mention it, whatever. And Theo dropped a video about saying the open source is dying. Is it true? Is it all AI slop? That's what we're gonna talk about in this video today. Whoop, whoop.
Let's go.
The magic of editing will do the rest.
But you said cloud is creating pull requests and creating more issues.
Yeah. Yes. Is that confusing?
Yeah, that's no good. AI is supposed to work.
Bro, like I asked shit onto Codex and Claude, and my code is still buggy. So, and I need to do the QA. So yeah.
Yeah. Did you use any pull requests that the cloud did? Let me rephrase. That was a way worse question. Have you ever done any pull requests to support on open source?
Oh, not. I don't think so. No, not that I remember. So I guess I would remember. So I have zero experience of open source basically because I had other stuff to do. I wanted to be like I was always the main developer for startups, and I would rather like work on a startup project that gonna pay me after than contributing to open source. But I watched a video from Theo again about open source and stuff, and he spent a lot of time in there. And the best developer in the Silicon Valley, they have their Google, Amazon jobs, and then in the weekend they work on an open source project.
Yeah.
So
Well,
yeah, and I mean, contributing to a project with like thousands of other developers that trying to uh, correct your own pull request, that's us. You have to be good.
yeah, I only did it on smaller projects, and I
Yes.
think the only thing I did was adding Dutch translations.
Oh, okay. Yeah, when the AI could not do it for you, right?
Yeah, so I added them, and I
Mm.
used the plugin, and that's it.
Yeah. Like, could you imagine like being like Peter from like OpenClaw repository when you have like all of the AI stop opening pull requests and stuff?
No, I wouldn't even know how to manage it.
I, bro, I don't think they manage it.
They just let it rip.
I mean, okay, let me open.
You have so many, but not just the pull requests, all the people writing all the posts and complaining and writing issues, and you have to reply, oh, we already took care of this one. No, it's related to this one.
Yeah,
How do you do it?
yeah. I guess you need to know the code really well.
And be online 24/7.
Yeah, bro. Like, look, 5,000 issues
Yeah,
and 5,000 pull requests.
try merging those.
Yeah, I mean, and even the compute required to check all of that stuff. Good luck. And okay, so for example, this one, fix client mode for operator to CLI. Describe the problem and fix it into 5 bullet point. Pro docs doesn't align with source code. Oh, that's annoying. No operator defined. Fair enough. Okay, grab that. Yeah, and also there is more and more like AI tools to like review all of the pull requests. So I would merge this one. Please, Peter, merge this one.
Yes. Thank you, Uchut.
Yeah.
But normally you would have like 2 or 3 people who are doing this for free and just for fun, writing down, replying to everybody, giving comments,
Good.
and those are replaced by AI.
Yeah.
I think.
It has to be like, okay, fix rest condition between prompt and habit. Okay, prompts fixes these issues, blah blah blah. Grab tile review. Yeah, see, there is not even a
Yeah,
human reviewer at all. So that's bad. Okay, OpenClaw repository is the future of open source, basically.
yeah. AI fixing AI.
Yeah, but I mean, it's like if you have the test and if you have all of the fundamentals to run all of those yeah, the problem is like you're gonna pay a lot in compute.
Yeah, but I don't think that's the issue.
Mm.
They are part of OpenAI right now.
Now, yes, but like in one of the interview, like Peter made, it was like the cost of like running OpenClaw by himself was like 15 grand a month.
Mhm.
So it was manageable cost. Um, I'm wondering how much is it like to just run GitHub Actions to check the pull request on GitHub?
Yeah, I never tried, so I don't know. But
It's massive. Okay, so we wanted to talk about that because, like I mentioned in my fabulous introduction, I really need to work the introduction for the videos because it's the hook. Oh, the
yeah,
technical aspect.
getting viewers.
Yes,
We had some viewers. The
yes,
channel is going up. We
yeah,
even got some replies from people, so that's perfect.
and that's why your sound is way better this week.
Yeah. If somebody tells me I need to buy a new mic, I will buy one.
Yeah. So in the comments, please tell Mitchell to give me some money. Oh, okay, no, you.
I won't do everything that people write down.
But okay, so Theo, I think like one of the most prominent dev and software engineer on YouTube.
Mhm.
Like I know I watch him and like the Primogen now and like a couple of other guys because of AI. Honestly, before AI, I didn't even watch any software engineer content on YouTube.
No, it was boring. And you
Yeah,
had to just test so much yourself to even understand what they were doing.
yeah. That's interesting. No, you're right, because now that AI makes like software engineering easier, then you can spend more time with like feedbacks from other developers and trying more tools because everything is easier.
Yeah, but the cool thing is you can even take the video, put it in OpenClaw, say watch this, and use it to improve yourself, and it does it.
Yeah, I do that all the time. Like for
Yeah.
example, okay, so for this Notion talking point,
Hmm.
for this live stream, I dropped the Theo video and asked to summarize it, even if I watched it, and then we have like talking point and segments from that video. Like, yeah, it's crazy. I love it.
Yeah, the only thing that people were on X posting about is that you have to make sure that the video does not have some secret messages in it. So it doesn't keep repeating weird stuff that
Mm.
OpenClaw will read and do, and then you have an issue.
Or even prompt injections.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Did they had an example of a video that can do that?
No, I couldn't find it, but they were talking about it that it might be tricky.
I mean, you can even do that in an image.
Yeah, well, maybe we will have we can try it. We can put some in our videos and see what it does. Like our video on YouTube. See this URL.
Oh, that would be sick.
I don't know if it works, but
Like a QR code, but inside. Oh, like a.
yeah,
Oh,
like a secret message for OpenClaw for an AI agent that you don't see.
oh, that would be sick. That's a good.
That that will be cool to test.
Yes, that's pretty cool. But okay, so yeah, Theo open source is dying, and will AI will kill OSS? So everyone, okay, I'm gonna go drop the video in the chat because yeah, everyone needs to watch that. Oof. Okay, cool. Will AI kill open source? The problem will be like PR, spam, and slop, which is like yeah, I'm gonna put my code against one repo saying analyzed it and open a pull request so I can increase my GitHub stars and contribution and stuff and and KPIs. So I'm a good developer. Dumber and angry user, aka like someone who never did any development before prior to AI. It's just like a famigod now because they unlocked everything, and now they're getting like entitled to merge whatever the fuck they have created to a repo. Install versus prompt. Yeah, like he was even talking about maybe not this prompt. Okay, I don't know exactly the install versus prompt, but he was even saying on Reddit, someone posted that where is the install button? I don't want the source code. I just want you to give me the .exe and that's it.
Yeah.
So those kind of people are going on GitHub now.
Yeah. And they only know how to download a Windows program and double click it.
Yeah.
Well, we had the other one who said, I built this amazing website, I prompted it, everything works, and the URL is localhost.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of meme on Twitter about
Yeah.
that. Yeah, I know nothing about code, but what I've done is beautiful. Check it out. It's localhost address.
Yeah.
So yeah, and AI will kill OSS and some funding problems, but yeah, it's free, like it's open source. You open source the code, so nobody will pay for it. You ask for tips and stuff, but yeah, you can have a 50K thousand stars on GitHub and get $50 at the end of the month. So
Yeah. No use.
also a problem. And then he's talking about should we watch it? Should we watch some?
Yeah, we can watch some. We have time.
Yeah. Tag. Okay, so whoopsie. Yes, or whatever. Like the moment. So PR spam flooding repo 3 starting. Tag. Oh yeah, and blacksmith is showing up blacksmith because of like the GitHub contribution, and I'm using it thanks to him. And it's like a better GitHub action than GitHub action because they are caching like the images. They are basically doing a better job than GitHub on their own layer, and it's going faster, so you save some compute usage. so you can deploy more, and you can have more AI reviewing your code because you deploy more, so you test more, etc., etc. Yes. So do that. Check it, Blacksmith. So that's your links. Use it.
We have no sound.
What?
We don't hear it.
Oh. Okay, wait. I'm gonna check YouTube. Maybe you are the only one not hearing it.
Yeah. So if you can hear it in the chat, please reply.
Yeah. Let me check the replay. Oh no, nobody can. Oh, okay. Why? Uh, hmm. Not chat. Okay, maybe this one. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Nope, not me. I can hear you. Okay. So multi-track and oh wait. I know. Is it muted? But you didn't hear it, right?
Yeah, try it one more time. No.
What the heck? Oh wait.
Just a question. Did you stay up just for the special for the show?
Can't hear it. Oh. Thanks. Is that you dead?
Yeah.
Uh, okay, let me.
Fan of the first day. Perfect.
What about that? God damn. Oh, I fucked it up. So I can hear you. Damn. Okay. I don't know why. Okay, so I think I will fix it for next time because I will have to move it anyway. But I'm gonna just like stop it on the videos. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay. So yeah, technical difficulties. Why is that not coming up? That's weird. Track input chat. No, it should work. Okay. Oh, I think I know. I know. It's
You have
because
the sound on 0.
No. I don't have the. It was not in the same Windows. That's why. Okay. So if I do that, oh, checking point. We don't want that. No performance warning. Not that. Sorry. Back up. Share screen. Brave tab. Live. Tag. Boom. Okay. No, not me. I will get it. I will get it. This one, share this one. Okay. And now if I do that,
A lot of sympathy for people
Yes.
like TL Drop that
Perfect.
I'm a software engineer.
Did you ask AI how to do it?
No. I remember that Restream is kind of garbage with like the multi-tab because I was sharing another window where I have my talking point, blah, 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 and it was not the correct focus. That can you please tell us if you can hear the video, but should be fine.
put out this change where they're just going to start closing any external contributions because they're just
Please confirm, but we should be good. And thanks for the engagement. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that here. Reorganizing. Buff. Okay. So back to that. Cool. But Michelle, you can hear it, right? So
Yeah, it works.
yeah, okay. Nice. So 330 back.
But then there's the dumber, angrier users problem, install versus prompt, and biggest probably is the funding problems. First, we're going to start with the PR spam problem. I've been pretty aware of this for a while, and I have a lot of sympathy for people like TL Draw that put out this change where they're just going to start closing.
So they are just closing every external contribution because it's getting out of hand to basically manage all of the issues. Like we can notice it on OpenClaw. But then that, from TO perspective, that's basically killing open source because then you don't have contributors at all. So what's the point of open source, right?
Closing any external contributions because they're just getting flooded with them. And I knew how bad this was and it helped other maintainers dealing with it in the past. But this problem is much closer to my heart now because we're going through it ourselves. The T3 code base, which has been public for about 5 days now, has 150 open PRs. Mind you, we specified that we're not accepting contributions and we still got 100 PRs a day for the first 2 days.
It reminds me crypto project.
Yeah. People don't read, people do.
Yeah, like people don't give a shit, and they will do it because it will benefit from them, and that's it. Like, it's
And
if
then
they
comes the
can do it,
question:
they will do it.
when?
Exactly. Like it's open source is a crypto project, and that's a clip. We have a clip.
Yeah.
I eventually added this because I was tired of saying the same things over and over again in all of the PRs. We're not actively accepting PRs. You can still open issue or PR, but please do so knowing there's a high chance we close it, defer it forever, and never look at it. Potentially worse, and literally all of my Sunday just sitting, going through PRs, testing things, shipping new releases, just dealing with that. And
Why?
He just said he wasn't going to do it, and now he still does it. So people are now even going to put more PRs in.
Yes, yeah, exactly. But like, no, but what I'm saying is like, why is he doing it manually?
I don't know.
Don't you
Maybe
think?
we should shoot in a PR telling him, hey, automate it.
Yeah. I mean, why? Because also like I know he explained that for a couple of side projects he didn't review it, like he didn't code anything. Like for this side project, it same thing like me for GenFeed, right? Like the GenFeed, I review a lot and I try and do QA, and all of the side project I don't care if they exist or not for now. It's not the focus. Then I just let the AI building it the way it wants, and then we move forward from there, and then I will QA when I will have 5 minutes to QA, right?
Yeah, but that's the solution, right? You said I don't care of it. If he
Yeah.
is really proud on the project and he wants to make sure that everything is correct, then does he trust an AI to do the reviewing of the PRs?
But then like we need to let go.
Oh yeah.
We need to as like a AI architect, we need to let go like and trust the AI. Even like bro, I spent like before this show, I spent like an hour just like looping between bugs and like it's like fix something, reopen something, and then for whatever reason I have 2 agents in parallel, and then the agent is saying the drift from the first one, and then it corrected, put it back. The like I was working in the sidebar and I wanted one item down, and it's like oh, this item was like deleted by a linter or something, I should put it back, and then it fucking put it back off. Fuck off.
If you did it manually, how much work was it?
1 second.
Yeah. But for him, for the pull requests, he was doing them all manually. I think even if he just had an AI to take out all the double ones, all the ones that were obviously wrong, that would have saved him a lot of time.
Yeah, but even I think he's still doing it anyway. Like he still have like a Code Rabbit or even like the Grapple. He using all of that because he's promoting them at the beginning of his videos. Like all of the tools he use, he's using as he put them as an ad, or he get like sponsorship for his channel. And so I know he use all of that, and I know he covers all of those processes with AI tooling already, right? And he has a team. So he has also like 2-3 dev, I think, to work on those projects too. So but it could be the scale, like I don't know, the scale issue.
Yeah, it probably is, because otherwise it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I'm somebody who likes doing those types of things, and it was still draining for me. I basically couldn't do anything Monday because I was so tired from the whole weekend of triaging, managing PRs, going through issues. I had to bring 2 people on just to help keep track of the PRs and issues.
And there is only 150 PR. Like
Yeah,
right
and
now,
that's
maybe
taking
more.
3 people.
Mad. It's mad.
How many did OpenClaw have? 5K?
Yeah, 5K. Yeah, but the guy got paid like 1 billion, so shut the fuck up.
Yeah, he doesn't care. He even pays the bill for the AI.
Yeah, exactly. Like makes sense.
It's a bigger problem, and it kind of touches on this classic post on Reddit.
That was the Reddit, like, because I watched this video before it, like before this week. I don't give a fuck about the fucking code. I just want to download this stupid fucking application and use it. GitHub link. Why is there code? Make a fucking exe file and give it to me. Give it to me. GitHub is a tool for developers. If you are not a developer, then GitHub is the wrong place for you to looking for software.
And then the worst thing is that there are always people replying.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, probably both too, right? But like, and 100%, like, there is a high chance that was a suggestion from ChatGPT or Claude that submit. Oh, you should check this application, and then it redirects.
Yeah,
Like, it's probably a Rico. Okay, so
We're kind of fucking nerds, and that's awesome. I love that about us. I love the fact that we have this crew of nerds
talking about this community here, whatever. Chat, cool.
and someone filed a nonsense PR that tried to fix all of those things and ended up just breaking other things.
Like here is explaining like a big PR is hard to. It's basically garbage, and it doesn't follow the proper etiquette of open source and even like software engineering per se. Like on my localhost, I will edit 1,000 files. Don't do it on an open source project.
yeah.
And explaining that, and after he's talking about like minimum the size of the compare it to another small pull request. Blah blah blah. Okay. So
We are stuck as a community with what Mitchell is creating. If you're not familiar with him, he's
It's not me.
the guy who made Ghosty as well as Terraform. Mitchell knows his shit. He built Vouch because he was tired of the nonsense PRs he was getting in things like Ghosty. Funny enough, Vouch has 2 PRs open and 8 issues, which is insane, especially considering how useful and used this project is. So what is Vouch? Community trust management system. People must be vouched for before interacting with certain parts of a project. People can explicitly be denounced to block them from interacting with the project going forward. You said,
which crazy is that shit is not a fucking GitHub feature.
Yeah, you just allow some people and not the whole world to just create pull requests.
Exactly. But like still people can fork it and like star it and do whatever the fuck they want after that. But yeah, why do I have to accept 5,000 pull requests from a guy who created an account yesterday?
Yeah.
And even like, okay, so in the video he explained that he banned some contributors because they were useless. And those banned contributors are creating an account to comment below the issue saying Theo is a dumbass and they should merge the PR. And it's the same guy.
Yeah. So they have no life at all.
No, like, internet, bro. Like they got time on internet. They got time. Okay, and so for the other point, Dummer and Greg, GitHub will not save us. Fair enough. And don't remember the point of like install versus
for these open source maintainers, the likelihood somebody even engages enough to care about the maintainer has gone down. And if they even do get that far, the likelihood they spend money has also gone down. So the upsides of open source, which are the proliferation of your software, the proliferation of your ideas, and the potential to get funded for those things, that has gone down a ton. But the burden...
Except if you build OpenClaw.
Yeah. You always have the unicorns. Eh?
Yeah, true.
Of open source maintenance has gone up a ton. And that ratio shift terrifies me. And this is where we need to do something. The open source pledge is a great start. but it is just the start. The open source pledge is what you can do other than opening PRs. And I really want you to try and embody the problem before you do anything in a repo like this. The biggest problem.
So now it's like some education about contributing to open source.
But still, most people don't care. They just create a PR and they put in code that they think is good.
Yeah, but because again, like if you're looking for a job, if you can say that you are contributed to OpenClaw repository and you have like 15 contribution merged, then it's good for you. Resume.
And even if you have the green blocks for over a full year, people like to see it, and that only works in public repositories.
No, exactly. And plus, okay, so he also had another because that's not the only problem for open source. He had another video tag where okay, so is open source don't contribute. Yes. How do I contribute? No, that's not this one. Maybe it changed the. Oh, that's us. Let's go. Oops. Oh, I passed billion of row. Whatever. Oh. Open source. How do I contribute? Contribution. Oh, maybe I will not find it. But like you have people opening updates of MD files just to have some contribution.
Yeah. And they just update the date or whatever just to show that they can do something.
Yes. So yeah, and again, like just to build up your resume and saying, I have like 200 contribution, even if it's garbage.
You see the same thing on WordPress. You can just have Cloud app managing your browser, putting in all the translations, pushing it, and you were the one adding something to that project.
Yeah.
And then you can show your customers, hey, I've been working on so many projects and my name is here, here, and here. And people who don't get it, they just think that you're doing a lot of good things for WordPress and they give you a new project.
Yeah, it's like how do you get like a 5-star on not Udemy, but the stuff for contractors.
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
The where all the people are putting the work on.
Fiverr. Fiverr, yes, or Fiverr. Yeah, how to get 5-star on Fiverr. So first you can buy it. And you can also like create multiple accounts, I guess, and they'll give you even more stars and stuff. But or you can just having your friends opening like more fake project and then give you 5-star and say, oh yeah, it's good.
Yeah, and you take a job like coding 2 lines for $10 and you buy a 5-star review.
So yeah, like people will game the game, right? But again, like even if it's not with the model of like today's model, like for 4.5 and 5.4 and 4.6 for Claude Opus. Why AI is not writing all of the open source Claude in the universe?
I think eventually it will. It will just take a few more updates.
Yeah.
And all the problems that he's discussing right now in his videos, they will be gone.
Yeah, no, exactly. It's like, you know, like Sam Altman was replying to the question, okay, when everyone will get fired for the job because they will be like redundant and useless, what will what are we going to do as a human? We're gonna ask AI what else we can do, right?
Like, yeah. Do you have any ideas for my Sunday?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, and do you think like there is still a future even like for closed source anyway?
Yeah, I think there will be. But if you have a job where your employer is asking you to write down everything you do and to document everything, then you're going to be jobless.
And yeah, we saw that on Twitter too, right? Like a lot of developers are documenting their replacement by or becoming like data training for their own job.
Yeah, by being a good employee.
I mean, you need to document everything because then you also like create a process for the rest of the team to like work like you, right? But now the rest of the team is like 5 agents.
Yes.
Yeah. But again, if anyone is building their own career and like their own solo founder company, then it's whatever.
Well, we have been doing it, and it's going crazy.
Yeah, it's not. Did you increase like your revenue since AI?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
No. I actually did. So,
Yeah.
and still, it's only just me doing all the
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, no, that's nuts. That's nuts. And like, do you walk more?
Yes, but I think that's a problem with different things.
Mm,
First of all, I like it. So when I start a project,
exactly.
I just keep on going because it goes so fast, and you can just do one more thing.
Mm.
Just asking one more thing, and before you know, you're 30 minutes further,
Yeah.
and you have built like 3 features, and you need to debug everything and deploy it, and yeah, then it's another day further. But
That's my life for the last 12 months, bro. Just one more prompt. Just one
yeah,
more prompt. But yeah. But even like because it's everyone can do it, like not everyone can do it well first.
Mhm.
And also then not everyone will love it anyway. And because there is more and more people doing it, then there is even more needs and more problem to come up with the mass of people creating new companies and project and stuff. So
Yeah, but it is also with your customers. Before I was the one doing the research, sending them stuff, they would read it and give it back to me.
Mm,
Now they have AI and they just research for their own website and give me a full list. Hey, can you do this?
yeah,
Because they know how to research it, they know how to find what to improve, but
yeah,
they don't have the know-how on how to actually do it.
yeah,
But and even I am faster now with AI, and they know it, but
mm,
still you still have enough work. But the speed and what they give you improvements to do, yeah, compared to a year ago, it's insane.
yeah. And even like it improved the communication between like your client and yourself. And like you can say something technical, and if they don't understand it, they drop it in ChatGPT and okay,
And
no,
you get a technical answer back.
oh yeah, trust him, pay him, no.
Yeah. So the only thing they don't want you to do is to call them
Yeah,
and start talking.
yes.
Please put it on the email.
That's true. Yeah, but okay. So for open source, like, is there a world where even like closed source or SaaS projects should incorporate some open source vertical for distribution, GTM, or like aspect of it?
Yeah, but don't you think that eventually people will start it because they have an idea, they put it online, and then AI will take over? It will just keep on improving.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, yeah. So improving what, like your open source code?
Yeah, because eventually, why would an AI create open source? Because it can build everything at once. So usually open source comes from people having issues, trying to find a good solution, publishing it online. Other people have the same issue, and everybody starts building together. And then you get a bigger and bigger project, and eventually a big open source project. But I think as soon as you start pushing it online and like a few people start using it, then the AIs come in because they put the AI on it to improve it. Yeah, and then it can go exponentially.
Yeah. Okay. So what could be the purpose of open source in 5 years? In 6 months?
It will be the replacement of the SaaS
Yeah.
because it's so big, so complex, and you can just import it and your AI will work with it,
Yeah.
and you don't have to pay for SaaS anymore.
I th- I okay. For for SaaS that will serve dev, maybe,
Mhm.
but for like a B2B SaaS or like outside, I don't know, like outside of like technical roles, people still are like they don't understand AI, they don't understand technology, and it will go way slower than expected. So we're gonna change the UI of the SaaS, but I don't think we will just shut down everything and everything will be like a chat GPT conversation, you know what I mean? Because again, my point of view, what I want to say is like if I go on a chat GPT interface, I need to know what I'm going to looking for to ask for it. But if I have an interface and I can just go it for 5 seconds, then instead of typing or like talking to the AI, and it will like take me like 10 seconds to type or like say it and then get the answer, compared to a dashboard, going to the dashboard and click on one button to export it in my Excel spreadsheet, because Excel spreadsheets are not going anywhere.
No. It will just be a dashboard that is created for you in the chat.
Yeah, exactly. But like the dashboard will always be the same. And also like is there any like that amount of friction to have a dynamic dashboard for me, or having a SaaS dashboard that has been defined by a guy in at 3 a.m. in the morning? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't see them using anymore, because what I think is if you have a web shop and you are integrating Google Ads, Facebook ads, and everything into your ChatGPT, and you read all the data in, and you have ChatGPT integrated into your project, and you are discussing your goals and your marketing with ChatGPT, it knows everything that you want to.
Yeah.
So before you even start up, ChatGPT knows what do I need to give him today? How far are we on the goals? What are additional benefits that we can do for him to even get more revenue and more sales? So dashboards, I don't think you will need them anymore. It will just know what to send you. And even if you say, hey, I want to do something different today, I want to do this, it will regenerate the entire dashboard for you.
Yeah.
Or the report.
But that's still a UI.
Yeah, but not a standard dashboard SaaS.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, and yeah, like the AI, the UI is still generated by an AI in the back end, but then at the end of the day, you still need a SaaS to have that displayed for you. Even if your SaaS is just a fucking web page that is completely fully autonomous slash morphism design stuff that just gonna pop up the block in your face.
Yeah, but OpenClaw can do it as well.
True. Yeah, in a Telegram chat like this, WhatsApp, whatever, right?
Yeah, but also just a dashboard locally on your Mac, so you don't need you don't need to go to the big ones anymore.
Yeah, but I don't believe that. I don't believe like I don't know.
Yeah, then you still need someone to set it up for you.
Exactly. Like yeah. All we need to reach productization of AI like level 100.
Yeah. And I still see that people don't like that they don't know what it will cost. Because eventually the AI is going to run and it will cost you API calls.
Yeah, but then the API calls will be 0.001.
Yeah, but it's so hard to say what the cost will be. And eventually they will just keep on going. And they get the bill at the end of the month.
Yes. Yeah. That's why yeah, you want to be yeah, like usage based billing will be a big shift for big corporate, because it's not something you can count every month.
No.
But then the seat model doesn't make sense anyway, because you don't need 10,000 seat on your software anymore. You just need one that will, because it's one agent.
Yeah. And if you have a big input, you have a big output and a big bill, and during the summer holidays, you're not paying that much. So that makes sense.
Yeah, but you don't have a provisional. Like you can't like estimate, okay, like my software expense is like 10% of my business. If you have a usage output, then a billing based on the output and the usage, then it will be like 1 in January because everyone's still sleeping and Christmas snaps. But during summer, it will be like 200. So you don't want that because you don't know.
Yeah, eventually you will. After a few months, you can do an average.
Yeah.
So that I think that's consultancy by us, right? We know eventually after helping so many customers what the average is.
Exactly. But yeah, like yeah, services. Did you see like the from Sequoia report? Like the services is a new SaaS.
Nope, didn't see it.
Okay, so
You are going to show it?
yes, sir. Sequoia services is the new SaaS. Nice. Not interested. News. Yes. So good at with memory. Nice. So it's completely out of the scope of open source.
Yeah.
But hopefully we have a good video and we just need to do the virtual. But yeah, whatever. Okay, so services is the new software. So Sequoia, one of the biggest investors in the Silicon Valley ecosystem. The next 1 trillion company will be a software company masquerading as a services firm. GenFeed, it's called GenFeed.
We already have it.
Every founder building an AI tool is asking the same question. What happened when the next version of Claude makes my product a feature? They are right to worry. If you sell the tool, you are a race against the model. But if you sell the work, aka the output, every improvement in the model makes your service faster, cheaper, harder to compete with. A company might spend 10K a year for QuickBooks and 100K on an accountant to close the books, which is like, yeah, nuts. Like, change the law.
Yeah, and probably if you put their work in AI right now, it will give back like so many mistakes and possible improvements.
Yeah, 100%. It's nuts. Like it's just pay QuickBook 50K.
Yeah.
The next engineering company will just close the books. Yeah, exactly. Intelligence versus judgment. Writing code is mostly intelligence. Knowing what to build next is judgment. Bro, it's so hard, and it's way harder. It's way harder. Like always one prompt away of like the next epic.
Yeah.
Translating the spec into code, testing, debugging. The rules are complex, but they are rules. Judgment is different. It requires experience and test instincts built on years of practice. If you are a young developer, you're so fucked.
Yeah. If you still have 1 year in school to go,
just drop out now.
yeah.
Deciding which feature to build next, whether to take a technical depth, when to ship before it's ready. Let's go.
Yeah, we used to do that when we didn't have AI, right?
Yeah.
Ship it, bill it, and then fix every bug as soon as possible.
Yeah, on production with customers. Let's go.
Yeah.
Just my QA services, man.
Updating the database and data in live version.
Yeah, because why not? Dry mode? What is dry mode?
Who uses that?
A year ago, most cursor user treated AI as autocomplete. Today, more tasks are started by agents than by humans, aka cron jobs.
Yes. Cron jobs and workbooks.
Yeah. Software engineering accounted for over half of the tools, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Software engineering got there first. It's coming to every single profession. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. In which domain are agents deployed? Software engineering, 50%. Boom.
Yeah.
Copilot and autopilot. I don't think we are autopilot just yet. Like it's just like AI is like a big guy sitting close to me, but still double checking everything, kind of. Okay, the higher the intelligence ratio in any field, the sooner autopilot will win. The higher the intelligence ratio in any field, the sooner. Okay. Convergence. Today's judgment will become tomorrow intelligence as AI system accumulate appropriate data about what good judgments look like in that domain. The frontier will shift. Copilots and autopilots will converge. The autopilot playbook, outsourcing. Okay. For every dollar spent on software, 6 are spent on services.
So you know where to go next.
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. And YC had also like the AI agency stuff, right? Again, you fully automated like your process with AI and you sell the output, and that's a banger. Like maybe you're right. Like maybe the SaaS will not. You will sell seed because it's whatever. You will sell the output, and it will be used by you. You are building your own tools to sell the output for your customers.
Yeah, and
They
I
don't
still
have
think if a customer is happy paying 50K a year for the software, for the SaaS,
Yeah.
because he makes so much profit,
Yeah.
he will just keep paying 50K if it works 100% of the time.
Until the market is fully educated.
Yeah.
Because then like okay, so then it's like offer and demand, right? Like okay, your customer is paying 50K because he has customers that are gonna pay 30. But when those customers who pay 30 will go to the fully AI automated firm that's gonna charge them 50 bucks, then
Yeah.
then
Yeah. But still, there is so much more to do. So
yeah,
it can drop in price, but
yeah,
not so hard. And
yeah. And it's gonna take like 30 years because
yeah,
people are
because all of us, we are the IT guys. We see the changes every day, and we think it's going to be tomorrow that we're out of a job. But
yeah. But it's
what?
good for us, right? Because we have this sentiment of urgency, and then we act fast, and then we are ready. But we are ready for the next 10 years.
Yeah, just wait for 3 years when the impact comes to the second amount of people, and we are just walking around. Oh yeah, that happened 3 years ago.
Oh, I had my open close setup. What are
Yeah.
you doing? Are you still using cursor? You're so 2025.
Exactly.
Opportunity maps, plotting every services vertical and intelligence to judgment, copilot, management, consulting, 300 billion. What the fuck? Geographic UX UI, 30 billion, executive search, 20B, here and comes 20B, autopilot territory, insurance, just die. IT managed services, 100 billion, payroll, 50, claims, whatever, watch, judgment, insults, recruitment, 200. What the heck?
You
Advertising.
stepped out of recruitment, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Sold the company, made the money. Bye.
Yeah, I really think if you do it right now and just do it as a side project,
Mm.
totally built by AI, don't look at it, have AI do everything
Yeah.
with the knowledge that you already have, and maybe the people that you know,
Mm.
that can scale hard as well.
Yeah, but who are you going to recruit if everyone is losing their job?
There will always be opportunities.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, for sure. Like everyone will want, like even a company that grow anyway thanks to AI, they will hire AI architect for
Mhm.
whatever the job is anyway. So
And if
yeah,
you just hire one AI architect,
exactly.
that's a big guy, so you earn a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, like the guy is getting paid like 500,000. You take
You take a percentage.
yeah, true. For just like having an open claw email sent. Let's go. That's what's
Yeah,
up.
and promise him beer on Friday night.
Next wave, supply chain procurement. Yeah. Even like all of like plotting is okay. If that's true, like the market will get even bigger in all of those categories.
Yeah.
Okay, so they talk about that recruitment. I think the largest service market on the list. Jesus. The top of hiring funnel, screening, matching, outreach is pure intelligence, but closing a candidate and assessing culture fit is judgment built on years on pattern recognition. The autopilot wedge exists in high volume, low judgment roles where matching is standardized. Juicebox, Merco, Jack and Hill are emerging leader building across the spectrum. Okay. Yeah, Merco like had crazy revenue growth, like insane.
Yeah.
But yeah, they will always need people, whatever, I guess. Even if we don't want to, I guess other people want to work.
It will still be needed.
Yeah. And yeah, if you build one, reach out. Okay, I'm gonna email Julian.
Send him the email.
Wait, yeah, marketing, right? And ads. Add there. They didn't mention ads.
I don't think so. I didn't see it, but
Management, graphic. Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. Okay, it's not really ads, but
online ads are done by Google and Facebook, so you can't compete.
no, like okay.
They will
Yeah.
they will automate it for you.
Oh, you think you will drop like the ad that what you want to sell to Google, and they will generate 10 best ads on the platform?
Yeah, I think they will, because eventually for them, they will lose a lot of income right now if OpenAI starts selling ads.
No, it could be a bigger distribution for them.
Yeah, but people will eventually, you can only spend 10K if
Yeah.
you have a 10K budget, right?
Yes.
If you start splitting 5K OpenAI, 5K Facebook.
Yeah. I'm really curious about ChatGPT ads, or to see how it would plays out if people will use an AI that will give them ads inside. And when you know there is ads into the conversation you are talking to, are you going to be served an ad, or is that a proper recommendation of what you are looking for?
Yeah, but people know that when they search a product on Google Shopping, they see ads as well. It is just told there, ad 1, ad 2, ad 3, and then you go to the normal products. So
Yeah,
people are used to it, right? But you
well,
have to say that it's an ad. You can't
yeah.
just...
But have you seen the tweet about like the sponsored Google, like the placement of the ads on Google page? Okay, so okay, GitHub Action software. Go opens. So I'm just quick experiment here. Tac. Okay, so GitHub Action software for open source. GitHub Action. Okay, so you have a fucking AI generated section. Then you have videos from YouTube. Fair enough. Reddit. Oh, I'm using Brave, so I don't see the ads.
You need to switch.
Yep. Why am I not seeing ads? Where are the ads?
Or you just have a...
Alternative. Quick books. Okay, AI. Why don't have ads?
That's weird. Here it instantly starts with ads on Chrome.
Okay, Brave is lit.
Yeah.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes. One
Please.
moment.
We drifted so far from open source.
Yeah. We are over a time and we still didn't discuss what we planned to discuss.
I mean, they would just need to do the outro, and then I would have the 10-minute video. That should be fine. Tac, Mitchell. Tac. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
only it's on Dutch.
oh yeah, that's fine.
But
Oh,
I did the same search query.
Yes.
SaaS alternative for QuickBooks. Enter. And yeah, it even starts with 1, 2. Here with the sponsor 3, 4. And then I go to the AI overview.
Okay.
Videos. And here the real results come. And at the end, I have 2 more. So almost everything is sponsored.
Yeah, it's not. And plus, like the block for videos, AI generated content, and no, like even like the links sponsored, you're never gonna see them because now Google search is a fucking AI reply.
Yeah.
Like, what's the first link? Is that a sponsor link?
Yeah, the first one is the Dutch sponsor link.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So those ones, they are even before the AI of Google.
It is the first thing you see.
Mm.
Sponsored results.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you need to compete with Revolut ads on
Yeah.
Google. Good luck.
But it's the entire page.
Yeah,
So this is my whole view. I need
Yeah,
to start
exactly.
scrolling.
That's nuts.
So also here, ads are so much bigger. It's so much better to just spend money on ads instead of
Yeah,
doing SEO.
yeah.
If you see this.
No, it's true. It's true.
But in ChatGPT, I think if you do this and you just have 1 or 2 ads and then show the rest of the results, I don't think people will get used to it. In the
Yeah,
beginning, they will complain, but
Yeah, you have the cards at the end of the conversation, like view more, blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
yeah. And most people still don't know that on Google they are clicking ads.
Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, true. Yeah. Yeah, because they're not even reading like, sponsored. And they don't even know what sponsored mean.
Yeah.
But I'm really happy with Brave, though. Kind of late.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good to use.
Cool. Okay. So should we conclude with give me your 2 minutes conclusion so I have a 10 minutes video.
Well,
Okay.
AI is so big. We talked about so much and didn't tell what we want to tell. So I think we can do so much more. But yeah, it looks like AI is going so fast, but I think it will take like 2 or 3 years at least to go where we will think that it will be next week.
Yeah. No, for sure. And okay, so where do you think like open source will go in the next 6 months? Because I can't ask you for longer than that.
No. But yeah, I hope that people on the big open source projects will just include AI to optimize the incoming PRs and to make it even better. So it can scale. So it can scale in 6 months what it did in the last 5 years.
Yeah. And do you think AI will create their own open source project, like a mold book, but
Yeah, a mold book was all scam, right?
Yeah.
The only thing is, why would an AI create an open source project for other people to use if it can just build whatever it needs itself?
And I think that's a good question to conclude the video.
Yeah. If you know the answer, write it down.
Exactly. Please comment and subscribe so we can see you next week.
Yes.
On the live stream and on the channel. Michel, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate the discussion, the chit chat.
Yes. Thank you, Vincent.
You're welcome. And Michel, Dad, thank you so much for tuning in. We love you.
And I think everybody will have to miss us next week, right?
Maybe not, because I'm moving, so we know.
Who knows? Maybe.
Subscribe so you can see if we are going live next week.
Yes. Thank you for watching and chatting. Bye.
Cheers.